So, are you ready? Are you ready? My back? No, Daddy's back's alright now. Sit in the chair properly. Okay, it's gone now. Okay, yeah, okay.
No.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Hello guys, welcome to Play Corner. Hi guys. Today we are going to be playing with these phonics reading blocks. They are absolutely amazing. And Amari has a lot of fun playing with these. They're 3-letter word pieces. And they spin so you can change up the words for your child. So we're going to play a little game. And this is how it goes. So Amari, are you ready?
Yeah!
So spin them please, baby. Spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them. Okay, give it to Daddy. Well done. So Mari spun them. Now the first word, don't know if you can see that. What is the first word? What does that say, Ma?
Tug.
Tug. Good boy. Tug.
Tug it right to it.
Now the second word says
Hun.
hun. Good boy. Now the third word says
What?
rut. Good boy. And the fourth word says bub. Good boy. So Mari, you get to put it down here. Well done. That's the first 4 words that you've read. Now, here's another one. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Have you finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Well done. Now, what's the first word? Bop. Good boy. And the second word is? Lot. Good boy.
Here.
And the third word is? Hob. Good boy. And the fourth word is? Cog. Good boy. Mari, get to put it on top. Well done. Brilliant.
Look at that.
Now, here's the third one. Mari gets to spin it. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Stop. Okay. Now, what is the first word say? And again, break it down. Red. Good boy. And the next word is? Bin. Good boy. And the third word is? Fib. Good boy. And the last word is? Break it down. Dig. Good boy. Well done. Yeah, when you dig. Okay, put it on top. Wow, it's getting taller. Now, spin it again. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Well done. You stop now?
Yeah.
Okay, so What is the first word?
Bad.
Bad. Good boy. And what is the second word?
Sad.
Break it down.
Sat.
Sat. Good boy. And the third word?
Wagon.
Rag. Good boy. And the last word?
Hammer.
Ham. Well done. Go on, put it on top. Lovely. We're always getting taller. Now this is the last one. The last spinny. Okay, let's go. Spin it. Well done. You stopped now?
Yeah.
Good. So, this is the last set. What does that word say? Break it down. Ped. Good boy. And this word? Met. Good boy. Well done. And the third word? Beg. Good boy. And the last word? Len. Well done. Wow, you did it. Put it on top. Now this is Mari's favourite part of the whole thing. He gets to knock it over. So are you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Yes, you did it! High 10! Good boy! So everybody, hope you liked our phonics blocks. Thank you for watching. Bye! Good boy.